Usual protocol, short story from 11th distinction.
Thrilling morning to all. I am Ayushi from 11th distinction. Today's short story, Happy Prince. The Happy Prince, a statue at the top of a tall column, gazed over the city. With the sparrow as his companion, he witnessed the city's poor. His heart once overflowed with joy, now overflowed with compassion. The sparrow, along with his prince, he distributed the jewels and golds to those who in need. When the sparrow died, the prince's heart cracked with sorrow. Angels took his heart and the sparrow's body to paradise, deeming them in God's sight. The story highlights the themes of compassion, selflessness, and kindness. Thank you.
Turncoat from 9th victory.
Good morning to all. I am Adudana from class 9 50. Today's turncoat books. Books are invaluable resource that offers numerous benefits. They provide knowledge, spark imagination, and foster empathy. Against it, while books have merit, some of them argue that they can be limiting. Thank you.
Debates from 8th time.
Thrilling morning to everyone. I am Anastasia from 8th IM.
Thrilling morning to everyone. I am Alsana from the same class.
Today's debate, hard work, advantages of hard work, achievement of goals. Hard work helps individuals achieve their goals and realize their dreams.
I am going to tell disadvantages of hard work. Burnout. Excessive hard work can lead to physical and mental burnout.
Personal growth. It fosters personal growth, self-confidence and discipline.
Stress. It increases the stress level. Affecting health and well-being. Thank you.
Story relay from 7th Pacific.
Morning to all. We are the students of class 7th Pacific. Title of the story is The Lazy Grasshopper.
I received the word grasshopper. A grasshopper spent the summer singing and louding, while the ant worked hard to store food for winter.
I received the word winter. When winter came, the grasshopper begged the ants for help, but they received the saying, "You should have prepared when you had the chance."
I received the word hard work. The grasshopper learned a valuable lesson about hard work and preparation.
Moral of the story is hard work and preparation lead to success. Thank you.
Tongue twister from 6th King David.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Divana. I am studying 6th standard King David. Time to start. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream for ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream for ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream for ice cream. Thank you.
Idioms and its meaning from 5th APJ Kalam.
Good morning to all. My name is S. Christopher. I am studying 5th APJ Kalam. Idioms and meanings. Idioms on cloud 9. Meaning very happy. Thank you.
Proverbs and meanings from 4th Europe.
Good morning to all. My name is Vinity. I am studying 4th standard Europe. Proverbs meanings. Actions speak louder than words. Meanings. What you do matters not what you speak. Thank you.
Meanings or synonyms from 3rd diamond.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Joel Matthew. I am studying 3rd diamond. Synonyms or meanings. Keep, put, help, head. Say, tell. Thank you.
Opposites or antonyms from 2nd Jupiter.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Joseph Nityan. I am studying 2nd standard Jupiter. Opposite words: light, dark, cool, hot. Thank you.
Rhyming words from 1st America.
Good morning to all. My name is Sanjay. I am studying Western America. Rhyming words: cat, mat, jump, duck. Thank you.
Phonics from UKG Penguins.
Good morning to all. My name is Ashika. I am studying UKG Penguins. Going sound. F for fish. Frog.
object reading and show and tell from LKG Roses.
Good morning to all. My name is Sainika. I study in UKG LKG Roses. This is your pink color. This is your yellow color. I blue color. Thank you.
Good morning. Only one left for your FA1 exams.
Have you started to study?
How many of you have sincerely started to study? Raise your hands. Okay, put your hands down. Today is a very special day. Today is the birthday of Kamaraja. Sri Kamaraja, our former CM of Tamil Nadu. He was often referred to as the unlettered genius. In Tamil it is not. Huh? No. Okay, that is unlettered genius. So today I would like to say a few stories about Kamaraj. You might know better than me, but in my limited knowledge of Tamil Nadu culture, I would like to say a few stories of Kamaraj. He was awarded a doctorate, honorary doctorate later. That is why he came to be known as Dr. Kamaraj. So, when he ruled Tamil Nadu, it was from 1954 to 63, seems like almost 9 years. There were no factories in entire Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu was a very underdeveloped state. So, Kamaraja loved Tamil Nadu. That was the secret of his success. Though he never went to school, he only had little formal education. Little means no formal education. That means he might have been a school dropout or he was an educated properly. But he decided to have 10 sugar factories in Tamil Nadu. How many sugar factories? 10 sugar factories. So those days, the Japanese, they were the expert in sugarcane machineries. So their delegates, they were called upon and they came all the way from Japan to Tamil Nadu, and the ministers of Tamil Nadu had a discussion with them. And from those days itself there was a commission basis, discount basis. So the Japanese said, we are willing to offer you 10% for one factory. So for 10 factories, 10% into 10. That would be enough to build one new factory, right? Yeah. So if it were the politicians today, what would have they done? They would have said, superb, I got the amount of one sugar factory. But did you know what Kamaraja did? He thought of constructing another sugar factory, and the sugar factory is still running now nearby Salem, Mohanur Sugar Mills. He didn't learn maths at school, but he knew that 10% commission from one factory into 10 factories were enough to build one new sugar factory. That is how much he loved the people of Tamil Nadu. The second story. One day he received a written petition from 5,000 villages. How many villages? 5,000 villages from Tirunelveli to Thoothukudi had no electricity. They were under darkness. So many robberies and antisocial elements happened during night. So people were in misery. They approached Kamaraja and they said, Ayya, please help us out. So he called the engineer, the electrical engineer of that area. The electrical engineer said, we don't have enough electrical poles to give current connection. So Kamaraja asked the villagers to donate one palm tree per house. Do you know what palm tree is? The Panayamaram, one palm tree per house. Especially in that area, that a palm tree is found in abundance. That is where the Karipati is made, Vembara, that area. So the villagers agreed. So the next day, 5,000 palm trees were felled in front of the electrical engineer's office. And then Kamaraja called him and said, we don't have enough electrical poles, but with this, can you give the connection? Yes, of course it can be done. Why so? Because just like electric poles, palm tree is also an insulator because it is a wood. So electrical connection was given to all those 5,000 villages. He didn't study science, but he knew without electric poles, with palm tree, that was possible. So you see, my dear students, though a person is uneducated, if the person has a deep understanding of human nature, that is the first thing that leads that person into success. Even if the person is highly educated, highly qualified, if there is no understanding of human nature, then the person may not be successful. So what can we learn from Kamarajar's life? To be selfless and to love one's own profession. So that is the only way to be successful. Highly qualified is good, but at the same time, if you love your profession, even if you are not that much qualified, definitely you will be successful. That is what we should learn from him. And you only have 1 week left for your exams, right? So what should you do? Love your studies very well and give yourself completely to it. Definitely you can also become a successful student. And tomorrow we have our assembly portfolio. If you haven't done your projects, make sure to do it and bring it tomorrow. Thank you. Have a blessed day.